it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is the Manly Indulgence candle. This is the citrus teakwood, and it smells so good. I love the smell of it in my house, even though it's supposed to be more of a manly scent. I think it smells so good that yes, even if you're a woman, you can get this and it will smell amazing. It has apple, jasmine, and cedarwood notes. I also really enjoy the look of this candle and the way that the flame comes through the side of it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the way it looks in my house and even outside. I'll put it outside on my porch at nighttime and it glows like a fire. I also really enjoy the size of this. It's a perfect size, not too big, but it does have 60 hours of burn time. Really high quality candle that I would recommend. It's also perfect as a gift. Maybe you've got a bachelor in your life or you want to get it for your friend. It's a really nice candle, whether you're a man or a woman. Really nice scent. I would highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.